26th question. How many pairs of parallel lines are there in the given figure? So this is the given figure. We have to find out how many parallel lines are there in this given figure, children. First, let's name the lines given: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Right, children? So we are done with the naming. Let's quickly find out how many parallel lines are there for this AB. This is AB. Let's count how many parallel lines are there for AB. 1, 2, 3. So for AB we have 3 parallel lines, children. In the same way, for CD, how many parallel lines are there? 1, 2. So 2 parallel lines are there for this C and D. For G and F, how many parallel lines are there? 1 parallel line is there. So plus 1. In the same way, for D and E, how many parallel lines are there? 1 is there. So plus 1. And for EF, how many parallel lines are there, children? J and I. So plus 1. Let's add all these numbers. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So option B, 8 is our right answer, children. 27th question. Which of the following squares must be shaded to make the given figure symmetric? This is the given figure, and here P is given, Q is given, R is given, S is given. So from these 4 squares, which must be shaded to make it symmetric? Let's check. Let's draw a line diagonally. Now it's dividing equally. So first square is shaded and it's divided equally. Here 2 squares are there. Those are unshaded. Here 3 squares are there. One is shaded, the other one is shaded. And in the middle, it's divided equally and the equal parts are shaded as well. Here 4 squares are there, and from these 4, 2 are unshaded and the other 2 are unshaded. Here 3 squares are there. So this is shaded, this must be shaded, this is unshaded, this is unshaded. So now this is shaded. Then let's check. This is shaded, this is shaded, this is unshaded, this is unshaded, and this is shaded and divided equally. So our answer is option A, P, wrong. Option B, Q. Yes, option B, Q is our right answer, children. 28th question. A milk container can hold 14 3 by 5 liters of milk. How much milk 10 such containers can hold? I am writing here for container C. So 1C is equal to 14 3 by 5 is a mixed fraction. So I'm converting it into a fraction first. 5 into 14 plus 3 divided by 5. So 14 5s are how much, children? 70. 70 plus 3 is nothing but 73 divided by 2. Sorry, divided by 5. How much 10 such container hold? Let's find out. 73 by 5 into 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are So 3 2s are 6, 2 7s are 14. So 146 liters can hold in 10 such containers, children. So 146 is our answer, children. So option A 148 liters wrong, option B 136 liters wrong, option C 146 liters is our right answer, children. 29th question. The sum of third multiple of 3 and fifth multiple of 5 is divisible by dash. Option A 5, option B 3, option C 4, option D 2. So let's check. Multiple of 3 is 3 into 3 equal to 9, and multiple of 5 is 5 into 5 equal to 25. Add these two. 9 plus 25 is nothing but 34, children. So 34 is divisible by which? 5 will not be divisible in 34. 3, it will not be divisible. 4 will not be divisible. 2, yeah, 2 will be divided with 34. 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14. So our answer is option D 2 is the correct answer, children. 30th question. Rounding off the number shown on the abacus to the nearest hundreds place gives dash. What are the numbers given on the abacus? Let's check. On ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write the number clearly over here. So on tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is given on tens place 2, 3, 4. 4 is given on hundreds place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is given on thousands place. Nothing is given, so we have to put 0 on 10,000 place. On lakhs place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the number is 7 lakh 5,457 is the number given on the abacus. So how do we round off it to the nearest hundreds? Let's check with the tens place. Tens place is given as 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Put 0 in ones place, 0 in tens place. So hundreds place is rounded off. Add 1 to it. So 4 plus 1 is nothing but 5. Hundreds place becomes 5. Thousands place remains same 5. 10,000 place is same 0. Lakhs place is same 0 7. So our number is now 7 lakh 5,500. This is the answer, children. Option A 7 lakh 5,000 wrong. Option B 7 lakh 5,400 wrong. Option C 7 lakh 5,500 is the correct answer, children. 31st question. The temperature shown in the given thermometer is dash. This is the thermometer given for us. So let's find out what is the temperature showing on this thermometer, children. The broad line is nothing but 5, children, here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So 45 degree Fahrenheit is the temperature shown on the thermometer. So option A 45 degree Fahrenheit is our right answer, children. 32nd question. What is the value of 825.23 plus 425.68 when rounded off to nearest to tenths? So first let's add these given numbers. 825.23 plus 425.68. So 3 plus 8 is 11, 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 6, 9. Put point. 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. 8 plus 4, 12. So now We got the number. We are supposed to find out rounding off to the nearest tens. So this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundred place, this is thousand place, children. So after decimal, whatever the numbers are there, this is tenth place, and this is hundredth place. So in the question, we are given that the number should be rounded off to tenth place. So rounding off to tenth place, to find this, we are supposed to compare the extreme right of this number 1. So compare with 5. 1 is less than 5. So nothing will be added to this number 10th place, and this becomes 0. This remains the same. So our number is 1250.9. After decimal, 0 has no value, so we are not writing that number over here. So let's check with the options. Option A 1236.5 wrong. Option B 1251 wrong. Option C 1250.9 is the correct answer, children. 33rd question. Find the area of the shaded figure. So what is the area of a square, children? Let's find out the area of the square. Area of the square equal to s square. It means side is square. What is the side given? 2, children. Area of the square is equal to s square. It means side into side. The given side equal to 2 centimeters. Let's find out area of a square. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So 4 centimeter. Each side is equal to 4 centimeter. Let's count how many full shaded squares are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's write over here. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. This is for full shaded. This is for full shaded square, children. Now let's find out for half shaded. Half shaded is equal to, how many half shaded are there? First count, children. 1, 2. So 2 half shadeds are there. Half into 2 half shaded into 4. 2 ones are 2. So 1 into 4 is equal to 4, children. Now more than half shaded, how many are there? More than half shaded, 2 are there. And if you observe, if you put these full more half less than half shaded here, it becomes full shaded. And if you put this over here, it becomes full shaded. Now more than full shaded became full shaded. So how many full shaded are there now? 1, 2. So 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Right? Now add all these, children. 16 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 8 is 28 centimeter is our answer. 28 centimeter square is our answer, children. So 32 square centimeter wrong. B, 24 square centimeter wrong. Option C, 28 square centimeter is our right answer, children.